Hey there, fridge owners. If you're dealing with the dreaded error code F104 on your GE refrigerator, especially on 2025 models, you're in the right place. I'm here to break it down for you step by step, so you can get your fridge back up and running without too much hassle. First off, let's talk about what this error means. Error code F104 typically indicates a problem with the fridge's defrost system. This could be related to the defrost heater, thermostat, or even a sensor that's not communicating properly. It's a common issue in modern GE models, and while it might sound intimidating, many cases can be fixed with some simple troubleshooting. Now, why does this happen? The most common causes include a buildup of frost or ice in the freezer, which blocks the defrost cycle. This might be due to dirty condenser coils, a faulty door seal, or even a power surge that disrupted the fridge's electronics. If your fridge isn't defrosting as it should, it can lead to inefficient cooling and that annoying error code flashing on your display. Let's get into fixing it. Start by unplugging your fridge for about 5 minutes to reset the system. This works wonders sometimes. Once it's back on, check for any visible ice buildup in the freezer and manually defrost it if needed. Use a hairdryer on a low setting to melt the ice, but be careful not to damage any components. Next, inspect the door seals for any cracks or dirt and clean them thoroughly. If that doesn't solve it, you might need to look at the condenser coils at the back. Dust them off with a vacuum or brush. If these steps don't work, it could be a deeper issue like a defective part, and that's when I'd recommend calling a professional technician. They can diagnose wiring problems or replace sensors safely. Remember, always refer to your GE user manual for model-specific advice, and never attempt repairs if you're unsure. Safety first. Wrapping this up, error code F104 is usually manageable with a bit of effort, but if your food is spoiling or the fridge isn't cooling properly, don't delay. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. I'll see you in the next video.